Hey my marshmallows, and welcome back to a new video. Today I got a package from eBay like a few days ago, and I've been waiting to share it with you guys and make a video about it. So the package is I already took the label off, like from where it's from and where my address is, so you guys can see it. And oh, good. When I took it off, some of the stuff. So, it's fine. Let's open it. Okay, I'm not cutting it out pieces. There it is. Woo! It's packaged really nicely. Let's look at her in more detail. So there, the packaging. So the first thing I noticed was the scratch on the under part of her face. She's really in good condition. I only got her for like $4.99, I think. I don't know. There's some marks, places and stuff. Yeah. But overall, she's really good condition, and I was thinking to make a short film with her, but she would be like the main popular girl, and I don't know why I'm making her the main popular girl. I just don't have another cat or something, or a dog. I just want to get a cat because it would be easier. Yeah, there she is. Wait, you guys already looked at her in closer detail, so yeah. I really love her. She's authentic because it says LPS. Hopefully, but there's like a smudge. And so overall, I really love her, and she's in really good condition. Oh, and I got her from China. So yeah, from this one seller. Yeah, so there she is, and she's really cute. Comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.